We will guide you through how to change logo color black to white in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and open the project containing the black logo on a white background that you want to change. Once the project is open, go to the Layers panel and select the layer containing both the logo and its background, making sure you are working on the correct layer before applying any changes. Next, go to Image on the top menu and hover over Adjustments to display the available color adjustment options. From the list, select Invert, which tells Photoshop to reverse the colors in the selected layer. Wait for Photoshop to apply the inversion and update the image. Then check the result on the canvas. You should see that the original white background has changed to black while the black logo has changed to white. If the logo is small or contains fine details, zoom in on the logo so you can inspect the result more closely and make sure the shape remains clean. Pay particular attention to the logo edges and check that they remain clear and recognizable after the colors have been inverted. Check the overall contrast between the new white logo and the black background to make sure the design is easy to see and still looks balanced. If the result does not look correct, make any necessary adjustments to the selected layer or the surrounding image so the logo remains clear and the colors appear as expected. Before saving, take one final look at the complete composition and confirm that no other important elements were unintentionally affected by the inversion, and that the logo still has the intended shape, placement, and visibility. Once you are satisfied with the result, save or export the finished image in your preferred format and location, keeping the updated black background and white logo ready for use.